Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. I'm facing one of the issue that is Redis Node server error client is closed. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's solve this issue. So why it's the issue, why this error comes? Basically, when I go to the terminal, here you can see that the promise rejecting, that means when we try to connect with the Redis server, so it takes time to connect. Okay, so in that case we have to handle it in a promise, or you can say we can use await to take some time to connect. Okay, so I have modified my code, and now you can see what we have to do. Here I have use async. Okay, and async we are going to connect with the create client. Okay, and here you can see the Redis client connected, and Redis, here you can see the await we have added so that it will take time to connect. Let's see that the Redis is connecting or not. Just restart this one node app.js, and already in use. So let me go and again. Now you can see the Redis client is connected and the server is running on the port 3000. Now you can see we are successfully fixed that issue. So make sure where while you're trying to connect with the Redis, make sure it should have the await, and it should be wrapped in the async so that it will connect over it. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.